to set up Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses offers several impressive capabilities, including hands-free navigation while driving and integration with Meta-owned apps such as Instagram and Facebook. These smart glasses work with the help of the Meta View app that serves as a control center, allowing users to manage voice controls, live streaming, and other smart features from their smartphone. GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses for use. Firstly, remove the plastic tab between the case and the glasses and take the glasses out. Now look for the power switch on the left frame and slide it forward to turn the glasses on. Next, put the glasses back in their case and watch for the flashing LED, which indicates that the glasses are ready to pair. However, if required, you can hold the case's back button for 5 seconds to manually enter pairing mode. Download the Meta View from the App Store or Google Play. Notably, a Meta account is needed to further proceed. Then turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Follow the instructions in the Meta View app to finish setting up your smart glasses. Notably, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses can only pair with one valid Meta account at a time. Once you've followed all the mentioned steps, you can enjoy using your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses.